Hello and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. My name is Joris and today I am here with a video to announce that I just sold Amrize for my Yuh-portfolio. So Amrize is out. It's my first sell for this portfolio and I do not sell often. And don't get me wrong, Amrize is a great company. So if you buy it right now, I'm sure in the long run you will make a profit. But I decided to sell because in my portfolio, it is a small position, and the PE ratio for this small position was reaching 24, and for me, that was my selling limit. And yeah, it reached that limit today, and then when it started to drop, I sold. Maybe it was a panic sell because it dropped quite significantly directly from 45.80 to 45.20, and I said, oh, that's a bad sign. Somewhere sell orders were triggered, so I'm going out as well. But on the other hand, yeah, it recovered during today, and then especially after the US opened, it went up even further, and it ended after reaching 26.20. It ended the day at 26.02. But as always, you should never look back. When you make a decision to sell a stock, then you need to stick to it. Of course, you sold already, but that's not the point. For me, I followed my own rules. So I made the rule that when it reached 24 that I was going to sell it. It reached it. I opened my app, I sold it, and it was already down a lot. And yeah, it's the way it is. So I missed out on a couple of cents. It's not a big deal. For me, the sell is a good sell. And with this, Amrize is also now off of my watch list. So I'm back to 20 stocks to follow till BASF is going to split off their agro division in 2027. So at least 1 year that I'm back to following only 20 stocks. And in my quadrants, I will delete Amrize as well. And what about Holcim, you might wonder? Well, for that one, the PE is currently 21.68. My selling limit for Holcim is a PE of 26.28, depending on the sentiment that is on the stock market at that time. So we are long from that limit. And today, Bank of America also put them from a buy to neutral, and that's why Holcim dropped today with about 2%, 1% and a half, 2%. So it's not going to reach a PE of 26, 28 in the near future, I believe. Maybe it's not even going to reach it ever because, yeah, it's a cyclical company. So when the cycle is over, it will start dropping, and then I need to adjust my selling limit as well, because then when their earnings per share suddenly drops, that doesn't mean that Holcim is suddenly a worse company. That just means that the cycle isn't good anymore, and then I need to, yeah, play around with the selling limit. So here you can see the sell of Amrize. So I sold my two shares that I had from Amrize at a price of 45.24 Swiss francs. And yeah, with the cost of 1 Swiss francs and 7 cents in tax, I still received 89.41 Swiss francs on my pay account on my Yuh portfolio or my Yuh account. And this means that I have more to invest later this month. So you see, it goes from 42.55 Swiss francs to 131.96 Swiss francs. And next week on Friday, my wage will be paid. So then I will deposit another 200 Swiss francs to my Yuh account, and my balance will be 331.96 Swiss francs. Normally, I will receive another dividend this month. So I believe it's going to be in euros. So it's still 331.96 Swiss francs, but I will receive a few cents, I believe, close to 75 cents that I will receive this month from ENG. And then Swiss Re is going down, and it is around my limit to start buying, so it would be great to pick up some shares of Swiss Re. And I've been waiting for this over 1 year because 1 year ago it suddenly started to go up like crazy because the insurance industry was in the past year. All the insurance companies went up like crazy. AXA is still going up, but Swiss Re, yes, they suddenly decided that Swiss Re is a bad company, so it goes down. Although their results were okay, but for me that's a buying opportunity. So please don't start buying Swiss Re just yet. Wait until next Friday so that we can buy it together. It's just a joke, but not financial advice, of course. Always not financial advice. And to finish this video off, I want to talk about my result. So from the Yuh app, I received my portfolio performance, and this is the extract of my portfolio performance, the first part. And here you can see that I started the year on 1,207.92 Swiss francs. I ended the year on 4,102.51 Swiss francs in total on my Yuh account. So that's an absolute performance of 493.17 Swiss francs, and the performance in MWR, or if you look at that, that's the money weighted return, is 20.88%. And the MWR factors in the timing and size of your cash flows. So in fact, it shows the internal rate of return for your investment decisions. And you know that I deposit every month 200 Swiss francs. So in this regard, it's not influenced that largely by deposits that I make at the end of the year with large deposits to make up for the bad decisions that I made in the beginning of the year. And also, I I have added dividends, of course, during the year, and most of them came into my portfolio in May. But it was only 70 Swiss francs on about that time. So I don't believe that that influenced this result as well, hardly. So for me, this number is pretty relevant, and then seeing a result of more than 20%, that's just great. So I'm really happy about that. And with that, I want to thank you for watching to this one. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit that like button as well. That helps out my channel enormously. And thank you for watching to this one, and see you on the next one on my YouTube channel. Bye.